Knowi has dramatically helped our development lifecycle, so we're able to actually bring new features to market faster with higher quality results. Knowi has just been amazing, somebody that we could establish a partnership with, and somebody that shared our vision of being innovative and being able to drive results. I would definitely say we've accomplished that with the Knowi team. We've really been able to create something that's very special within the industry. My name is Jeremy Boilard. I'm the Director of DevOps at intlx Solutions. intlx Solutions is a unified IT and telecommunications partner founded and built by engineers and guided by human values. The biggest challenge that we were faced with is we knew what we wanted to accomplish, and the previous tools that we were using just weren't dynamic or flexible enough for what we needed and what our mission was. We spent a year of development, and we went through and we looked at all kinds of platforms within the industry, and a lot of them just were very complicated, very hard to adopt, uncustomizable, and couldn't really handle the large data sets that we were looking to bring to market.
I'm Jay Gopalakrishnan, founder CEO of Knowi. Traditional BI tools generally require those disparate data sources to be consolidated into a single repository. And oftentimes that may not be quite feasible because you might have semi-structured data in things like Elasticsearch. You may have structured data in your SQL database. You may have data across your APIs you want to grab. Knowi provides a way to give you a view across your data without having to pull all the raw data into a warehouse necessarily, and give you insights and recommendations from that data immediately.
We use Knowi actually as a single pane of glass that drives customers with the advanced human readable analytics. Now, how that differentiates is nobody else is really pushing the envelope and doing the single pane of glass. So we worked and collaborated with Knowi in order to come up with this. So that way, customers don't actually have to leave the Knowi to be able to interact with us and create tickets. You can come in, it's easy to navigate, everything's human readable, and we're able to deliver that experience that nobody else is able to actually do in the industry due to the platform and the DevOps life cycles that we have.
The Knowi features that intlx uses are the ability to connect into various different data sources to create a unified view of their data, being able to create embedded analytics so the right person with the right permissions can see the right dashboards and insights that they're allowed to see, and then also being able to ask questions on the data, AI features and recommendations and insights and all of that as well.
So Knowi enabled intlx to deliver intlx 360 to their customers, which aggregated data from all these different sources. Hi, I'm Lauren Mitchell, and I'm the lead data analyst at Knowi. A key part of their migration to Knowi was utilizing our agent, which is a tool that helps you sync files from a computer directly into Knowi, because intlx didn't have a database at the time. So we were able to get them set up with the agent so that we could really meet them where they were at. intlx's customers can now see their Zendesk data, communication data, Internet of Things data, alerts, all in one unified pane of glass. So one platform where they can get all of their intlx information. And that's really enabled intlx to provide this seamless experience to their customers.
Knowi and the intlx 360 platform really made a huge impact and difference into what customers are able to see within their environments. So from our perspective, we're able to take all this very complex data, make it very easy to use. With Knowi, we've actually created customized dashboards, a lot of innovation that we put into that to be able to make the dashboard easy to navigate, to give out that human experience. So we're able to get ahead of that and be able to resolve issues a lot quicker. Knowi has just been amazing. You know, that was one of the key initiatives for us when we were looking at a platform or a vendor, is who is it that we could grow with, somebody that we could establish a partnership with, and somebody that shared our vision of being innovative and being able to drive results. I would definitely say we've accomplished that with the Knowi team. They're very receptive to everything that we have brought to them, and we've really been able to create something that's very special within the industry. I really want to continue to grow the Knowi platform together and be able to deliver things that nobody else can. So we're grateful for our partnership with them and their continued collaboration. And I'm really excited to see what actually comes next.